accidentally forget to cut that.
We're all struggling.
Hello, everybody. I'm Will.
And I'm Rachel.
And this is So I'm watching Teen Wolf, Season 3, Episode 19, Letharia Vulpina. Or 3B, Episode
7.
The 7?
I think you said, I thought you said 6.
Letharia Vulpina.
And then Brandon Freeberg. All I'm doing in my head is going, Freeberg!
You keep commenting on the previous episode's credits, which is gonna have no...
Sorry, it's just in front of me. He's MTV Digital. I'm sure he's on the end of this one.
Previously on Teen Wolf.
Are you aware of what your abilities can do for others?
Oh,
That's all that
no.
was left of her. Tell you, I have to ask her something.
Puppy. That's not a puppy.
Why is it taking so long?
Where the hell is the doctor?
Somebody called for a vet.
Ikira-sama, okurete.
Have you worked with wolves before?
A little.
Here and there.
Oh.
And what's our patient's name?
Yuki.
Hello, Yuki. Now, what have you got yourself into? Has Yuki been around any unusual plants? Something that looks like moss? It's called lichen, and it's highly toxic.
It's in the garden. Shigeki, take him. Superstitious idiots. Is this what you're looking for?
Hold this, please.
You really think Yuki got in here and ate this stuff?
Actually, I think Yuki probably doesn't come anywhere near here. Some part of him probably senses what happened here to your father and the nogitsune possessing him. This particular lichen is called Letharia Vulpina.
Credits.
Any way you want it, it's the way you need it, any way you want it.
They used it to poison wolves. They put out pieces of meat with crushed glass and bits of lichen in it. Glass perforated the intestines of the animals so the vulpinic acid could reach the internal organs faster.
What did you do to my wolf?
I didn't poison him with lichen, but I did give him a powerful paralytic agent. The same one I put on that jar.
Kanima.
I guess we both know a few things, Akira-san. Born out of the blood of a nogitsune, this lichen is quite special. More powerful than you know.
What are you going to use it for?
There's a fox hiding inside a teenage boy. And I am going to poison it.
Dean said, not today, motherfuckers! Yeah.
Oh, right.
We'd really like her to, like, do something. Uh-oh.
Get back! Everyone get back! Everyone get back!
Ah,
Isaac!
Isaac! Don't get out! Thank you. Cool! I'm sure it's one more like Starlight, though.
Break his arm again.
Scott! He's not breathing!
You have to tell Zelensky. You have to tell him what's really wrong with Stiles.
We were proud and young.
Any news?
They're still looking for him. I guess if anyone's gonna be missing for 2 days, turn up just to find the Stiles.
What about Isaac?
Maybe we should go by the hospital before school.
You been here all night?
Allison has not been to school, and I feel like months.
Yeah, they won't let me see him because I'm not family. I told them he doesn't have any.
He's got us, and I've got a key card. Be quick.
I thought he'd be healing by now.
So did I.
Does he also have the werewolf sads?
Is he in pain?
It won't heal him, but it helps with the pain.
The thing is, in all of the stories, kitsune are tricksters. They don't really get caught up in right or wrong or even understand it.
It's just doing this for the hell of it?
If you somehow offend a nogitsune, it can react pretty badly. If it's doing something this bad, someone really offended it.
Listen up! There's a card on my desk for Isaac Leahy. And every one of you losers is not only gonna sign it, you're gonna write a personal message so profound and deep, it's gonna bring a tear to Coach's eye. Who's first? Ah, Danny, that's how you do it, buddy.
Yeah,
Keep it
Danny.
PG.
Do you guys hear that? It's an emitter, one of Argent's. It's coming from the basement. I know what you guys are thinking, but it's me. I swear to God, it's me.
Yeah.
It's me. Scott, I swear, it's me.
At tea time, everybody agrees.
I don't know where I've been the last 2 days or what I've been doing, but this is me, I promise. You see this? It's a blueprint of the hospital's electrical wiring. I know I did this. I caused the accident. And everything in this bag, it's all stuff that can be part of something bigger. What the hell have you been up to?
Why were you talking to him?
He's from the health department. They're scheduling hearing tests with the students.
He was talking about hearing?
Yes, hearing. I'm guessing we should sign you up. He gave me his card.
Mom, this is a piece of paper with a phone number written on it.
Still got it.
Peter Hale leave the Beacon Hills moms alone?
Yeah.
Lose something? Why are you breaking into my apartment?
Why are you leaving emitters in my loft?
I have no idea why that would be in your loft.
Okay. Both trying to find Stiles. Mind if I ask what you plan on doing if you find?
Well, that depends on which Stiles I find. Broken.
Tyler Hoechlin is so hot.
This isn't mine.
Careful.
I feel like anytime one of us yawns during these episodes, you should put a werewolf growl.
How much do you think that is?
150,000. But it doesn't make sense. We never took the money.
Whose money is it?
It belongs to a Yakuza named Katashi. He has a nickname.
You mean something like Silverfinger?
Where did you get that?
Off Katashi's dead body.
Uh-oh. Oh, I feel like Danny's gonna step on the thing. Maybe not.
What the hell are you doing? I missed you.
Yeah, make out.
You know, track and field.
Did you see how fast I was running?
But we need to stop the others.
Why?
Scott, stop! Go! Everyone stop!
Congratulations, Stilinski. You found a length of chain.
Kablooey.
Can somebody now please tell me what the hell is going on?
Hey, come!
Oh, crap. Oh.
Not Coach.
Your first favorite character.
I know.
Look, I just need to figure this out, and he's the only one offering help.
Peter doesn't offer help. He offers a chance for you to be manipulated into giving him what he wants.
Let's see what he wants.
This bitch.
The hunter and the banshee. Ladies, come in.
Get it out of me! Get it out of me! Get it out of me!
It does more damage.
Get it out of me!
Coach, you're not gonna die.
Get back! Get back! Give him some room!
Get him some more meth.
Yeah.
I think you just passed out.
There's blood on your hand, Stiles.
Yeah, really.
I could have killed him, right? What if it was his head or his throat? But it wasn't. And he's gonna be all right.
I don't suppose you have any idea why Stiles would frame us for murder?
I didn't think Stiles was smart enough to frame us for murder.
To be honest, I'm not entirely convinced that's why we're here.
What do you mean?
Call's gonna come out here in a minute. Probably talk attorneys. Say you've agreed to allow mine to represent you.
Why should I trust your attorney?
Because I'm not calling my attorney yet. I just want more time.
To do what?
To figure out what we're really doing here.
So magical attorneys feels like it would be a thing.
Yeah.
She goes.
The last time I was alone with you, I was bled out in a lacrosse field.
Do you actually think I was trying to kill you? You were my backup plan. Not to mention the bite is what brought out your nascent abilities. I'm the spark that lit your fire, sweetheart.
You attacked her.
Sweetheart. With his mid-Atlantic accent.
He did remember.
I didn't ask for it.
But you're embracing it now, aren't you?
He's insane. We're leaving.
You want the truth, Lydia? It's not the scream that gives you power. All the scream does is help drown out the noise. I can help you focus your hearing.
But you want something in return.
Of course I want something in return.
But then, just when you think they're safe, they discover the bomb. What bomb?
They told me not to move.
Jared, right?
They said, stay right where you are.
It's all right.
I didn't know what it was when I picked it up.
Teachers don't get paid enough.
These are the claws of Derek's mother.
Before she died, she stole a memory from me. That memory is locked inside those claws.
Why would your sister want to steal a memory from you?
Well, if I remembered the memory, I might be able to tell you.
So what am I supposed to do?
Focus on me.
I am focusing.
You're not. I can see the wheels spinning behind your eyes.
I am trying.
Try harder. Her hand had one of those. Didn't do her much good as I ripped her throat out.
She didn't shove it up your ass.
Lydia? Lydia, do you hear something?
Stop talking.
What is it? What are they saying? Is it the memory? Tell me what she knew!
You're not just an uncle.
Is he a papa?
I could easily get out of these, you know.
But I'm not interested in being a fugitive from the law.
Well, I'm not interested in being a victim to a 17-year-old possessed by a psychotic fox.
Just give me a few more minutes.
Fine. If something happens, don't expect me to risk my life trying to save yours.
Derek's still Derek.
Yeah.
You hid them in a book?
How many high school students do you know who would willingly open a book?
I would.
What's this?
You need to tell her, especially about this. You've already sacrificed 5. 3 of the Oni are gone. How many more tails are you willing to sacrifice?
If I have to, all of them. These Oni will be stronger. Much stronger.
I'm worried for her mom.
You know what they're wondering now, don't you?
What happened to the bum on the bus?
You gonna put a helmet on?
It would be very helpful if you could resist throwing up on the potential explosive device. Hey, can you do that for me?
I think so.
This is the first scene of his I remember.
You look really
handsome. Thank you. For a second there, I thought you were going to say I look really young, and I was going to have to launch into my explanation about how I'm actually 24, and that anyone can look young if they eat right and exercise. Although it's probably just good genes anyway, right?
It's not a bomb, sir, but there is something in the box.
What does that mean?
Oh, God. There is a bomb, but not here.
Chaotic hubbub.
What's happening? Get down!
I love it. I don't even.
What?
That the sun in Beacon Hills is like,
Yeah.
would not believe your eyes. I'm gonna do it every time.
Sheriff's station, we've got an explosion. We got multiple officers down.
Derek. I'm okay.
Just got a bag full of glass.
Hey, Derek, you're looking sharp.
We need an ambulance ASAP. On the double.
Scott? Take your pain. Anything to make it easier?
I feel like Scott's gonna OD on pain.
The Oni, they're coming. I said I don't know. I don't know its name, if it's a boy or a girl, or if it's some mutated wolf baby.
You're lying. Kill me.
Now we're leaving.
I'm so mad. I always wanted a scene where, like, Peter is literally and or metaphorically dangling off of a cliff, and Lydia's like, oops.
Peter and Malia?
Father and daughter.
Wait till you find out who her mother is.
Oh, God. Okay, so can't they just separate the trickster from Stiles?
That's what the climax of the season ends up being about.
Let them know. All they want to do is take pics, and I'm like, okay. And when they hear us on the beat.
Oh, no.
Come on, get him inside, get him inside!
knew that was gonna happen.
I think Boyd Stiles is kind of hot.
Okay.
He's gonna push it in further and twist it.
Really should have done your reading, Scott. See, it gets in the feeds. This morning you took it from Isaac, then you took it from Coach, and then from a dying deputy. All that pain. You took it all. Now, give it to me. You really have to learn not to trust the fox. She'll fool you. She'll fool everyone.
Not everyone.
What was that? Was that a cure? Is he okay?
Fox is poisoned, but it's not dead. Not yet.
Damn it! They need to stop doing this.
We had to watch this live.
Oh, Jihad's still here. So, Echo House, the next one, do they go to the insane asylum?
I think so. I don't quite remember.
So, when we found Stiles again, I was like, this doesn't feel right.
Hey, it got away.
I just feel like it was all too easy. And I'm just like, surely he did a good job. Because I was like, no, maybe it's true. It's the light Stiles. But no. Because he wanted to see it all. He was front row and center for fucking all of it. And I was like, wow, Stiles really is in the center of all the hubbub with the school bus blowing up. So, uh-oh. And I'm very worried for Kira's mom. I feel like she gonna die. Also, I was very prepared for the camp in this. I thought we were getting the camp in this.
The camp?
Mm-hmm. What were they called here? Internment camps.
I thought it was.
Mm-hmm.
When I told you, I thought it was. And now I don't know where it is because it's not, maybe. But I thought it was this episode. Okay, yeah, it's Fox. It's this one.
Okay. How many episodes are in this season?
There's 5 more.
So. It's good. It's very good. You guys are right. And you're like, I can't wait for it to get to season 3. Season 3, especially 3B. 3B has been like top tier television.
Well, I said I have a soft spot for 3A because I like the Duroc. Like, I like Jennifer and all that stuff.
Mm-hmm.
And I like the girl who knew too much, like the Lydia, that part.
Mm-hmm.
And there's still some silliness, I think. There's not a ton of silliness in.
No, and so I have a soft spot for season 1 and season 2 almost because of the silly. But no, this is just really good TV.
This is just a drama show.
This is very good. Very, very good.
Lydia's mom is on the show in a way that they don't ever do anything with. And I feel like she's on it frequently.
Mm-hmm.
And she has this like really cryptic line reading in like season 5A or something. And I thought they were going to do like a Ministry of Magic thing. And I wish she was part of this like organization keeping, because she starts like creeping around the periphery and they just never do anything with it. And that always felt like a missed opportunity to me.
Oh, bummer.
But she's around. I don't know if it's maybe because she's married to Lyndon Ashby, Selinsky.
Oh. Muzzle.
But okay. Well, on that note, we will bid you adieu,
And goodbye.
11:30.
It is 11:30.
Shit.
Yeah, I'm like spent now. I had one more in me. I'm good now.
Last time.
As far as this binge goes, you'll see me in a different top the next episode.
Okay.
Bye.